If you want a cleaner Microsoft Word interface and you're tired of seeing the quick access toolbar at the top of the screen, this video will show you the fastest way to disable it. This is a simple change, but it can make Word feel much less cluttered, especially if you prefer a more minimal workspace while writing, editing, or formatting documents. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tips and easy software guides. Now let's jump into the process. First, open Microsoft Word and look at the top area of the window where the ribbon is displayed. The Quick Access toolbar is usually the small row of icons near the top, often sitting above the ribbon. It may include shortcuts like Save, Undo, and Redo. If you want to remove it from view, all you have to do is right-click anywhere on the ribbon. It does not matter which tab you are on, as long as you right-click a blank or open area on the ribbon itself. After you right-click, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Hide Quick Access Toolbar. This is the setting that turns it off and removes it from the top of Word. Click that option once, and the toolbar will disappear immediately. That's it. No complicated settings, no deep menus, and no need to change anything inside Word options. If you ever want it back later, the process is just as easy. You can right-click the ribbon again and choose the option to show the Quick Access Toolbar. So this is a very flexible change, and it's easy to reverse whenever you want. This makes it perfect if you're trying Word layouts for the first time or just want more screen space for your document. A quick tip here, if your goal is to keep Word looking less crowded, you may also want to explore other interface options like hiding the ribbon, adjusting the view mode, or customizing which tools appear in your toolbar. But for this video, the main goal is simply to disable the Quick Access toolbar, and the right-click method is the fastest way to do it. So, to recap, open Word, right-click the ribbon, and select Hide Quick Access Toolbar. In just one click, you can remove it from view and make your workspace look cleaner and more streamlined. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.